In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so your print-on-demand products can flow smoothly into your online store. First, open the Printful website in your browser. Give yourself a moment to make sure you can access your Printful account. Being signed in will make the process seamless. Once you're on the site and at the dashboard, look for the section labeled Stores. It's typically in the main navigation or visible from your account home. Click into Stores to begin setting things up. Inside the Stores area, find the option that says Choose Platform. This is where Printful lists all the e-commerce platforms it integrates with. Click Choose Platform, and on the selection screen, locate Shopify. Click Shopify to move forward with the connection. At this point, simply follow the steps mentioned here on the screen. Printful will guide you through the connection flow. Expect to be prompted to confirm that you want to connect your Shopify store, and you may be redirected to Shopify to authorize the integration. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Shopify account and that the store URL you see is the one you want to connect. When prompted, review the permissions so Printful can create and sync products, manage fulfillment, and update order statuses. Approving these permissions is essential for automated fulfillment to work properly. During this guided process, keep an eye out for any browser pop-up prompts and consider temporarily disabling strict pop-up blockers if you notice a window failing to open. If you have multiple Shopify stores, double-check the store name and domain before confirming. Having your billing and shipping settings already configured in your Shopify admin can help avoid setup interruptions later, though you can always refine those after the connection is complete. When the on-screen steps finish, you'll be brought back to Printful, and you should see your Shopify store listed under Stores. That's your confirmation that the connection is active. From there, you'll notice options in Printful related to product creation and syncing. Take a moment to look over the store status indicators, and if anything looks out of place, retrace the on-screen prompts and confirm permissions were accepted. That's it. You opened the Printful website, went to Stores, clicked Choose Platform, selected Shopify, and followed the steps shown. With the connection established, you're ready to move forward confidently, knowing Printful and Shopify are working together to power your print-on-demand business.